Have you ever caught your cat licking her tongue on your bed and wondered what's going on? It's actually quite fascinating. Cats have a natural instinct to groom themselves, and your bed is a prime spot for this behavior. The fabric holds onto their scent, making it feel like home. But there's more to it. Licking can also be a way for your cat to show affection. By grooming her favorite spot, she's marking her territory and claiming it as hers. Plus, if she's feeling a bit anxious or bored, licking can be a soothing activity, helping her relax. And let's not forget about those taste buds. Your bed might have traces of food or interesting smells that pique her curiosity. So, while it might seem odd, it's just another quirky part of your cat's personality. Embrace it. After all, it's just her way of making your space feel cozy and safe.